Welcome to Crystal Retail Suite tutorial video. This is part 2 of our inventory module walkthrough, where we will learn how to create a stock item or a service in the system. As discussed in part 1 of the inventory module, before creating an item or service, it is essential to complete some prerequisites. You must have already defined stock or service groups, units, categories, brands. These classifications are essential, as they will be linked while creating each item or service record. Let's now move to the Stock, Services section under Inventory. Click on Stock, Services from the left menu. Here, you can enter all the item or service details. Let's create a sample item named Hydrating Hand Cream. You may also enter the item name in the local language, as some country regulations require it to appear on printed receipts. If the product has a pre-coded barcode, scan it directly. Otherwise, select Auto Barcode to let the system generate one. While tagging group, brand, category, and unit, the system will show dropdowns populated with values already created in the prerequisites section. Select the appropriate values. Reorder quantity defines the minimum stock level at which the system will allow you to refill. The Is Active option allows you to enable or disable the item or service for operational use. Enter the purchase price for stock items. For service items, the purchase price and reorder quantity fields are disabled since services are not procured. Set both purchase price and selling price. Once entered, the system will calculate and display the markup in both percentage and amount. If VAT applicable is set to yes, enter the applicable VAT percentage. Enabling Allow Negative allows the system to process sales even if the stock is insufficient. Set the opening stock to reflect your current inventory. This can be entered only once, during the item's initial creation. Service items do not require opening stock or reorder levels. If the item is serviceable, set the option to yes. This allows it to appear on sales screens, menus, or price lists. Set to no for internally used items only. Enable has expiry if the item has a shelf life. You can then specify the number of expiry days. For service items, enable a service item and specify the duration in minutes. The system will automatically disable purchase price and stock-related fields. Allow price edit if set to no will restrict the salesperson from modifying prices during billing. If the item is sold loose, like dry fruits or vegetables, set as weight-based to yes. Enable has add-on for items that can include extras, for example, extra cheese or double cream, etc. Enable has remarks to allow entering custom notes during billing, for example, no sugar or medium spicy. You can upload up to 3 images per item. Square orientation is recommended for best appearance. Finally, enter a brief description of the item or service for better identification and clarity. Once all information is correctly filled in, click Save. The item will now appear in the grid below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. In the next video, we'll show you how to print barcodes for inventory items and services. Till then, stay safe and thank you for watching.